You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly and clarify its pronunciation. If you want to learn more biblical names, I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Confusing names from Hebrew. Malakai is the English pronunciation. It's it's a different spelling of a prophet in the Hebrew Bible, with a spelling CHI at the end. Malakai is how it's pronounced in English. Malakai. It has Pacific Islander roots as well. Malakai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.